So now we're going to be opening up this. Hopefully the key's in here, because, well, it wouldn't be useful without that. The electric start. Here is the manual. Says where you shouldn't keep the engine, and first that's not in the garage where it is now. So I do not know where the key is, because this says this is a high altitude kit for, I don't even know, high altitude replacement. I don't think we're in a high altitude. Yeah, it doesn't look like the key's in there. Alright, no clue where the key is. That's okay. Okay. This is the Predator 420cc 13 horsepower engine from Harbor Freight, and we bought this on Black Friday, as you know from the shorts, which were posted on the exact day that we bought it. The 420cc also has electric start with a key in it, as you know, pull start, and then here, throttle. Dang, it's stuck. And then, choke, stuff, yeah, fuel turn off. Now, this thing is humongous. This is the exhaust compared to my hand, and now I'll show you my hand compared to the exhaust on the other engine. And here's the smaller one. The exhaust on the other one is almost as big as the whole engine on this one. Yeah, so this is the old engine. Don't really know what we're gonna do with this yet. Still thinking on it, and yeah. This is a 420cc 13 horsepower engine.